what's up guys? So I'm trying to start this new segment for my channel called the After Dark. So what I'm trying to do here is like show you the after dark scene of Los Angeles. There's not much happening during this COVID season, of course, but whatever is okay, right? So, but yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I'm trying to work on this. It takes a while to put these things together. Yo, so I made the best fucking decision coming here today. The food is fucking great. I mean, you can see it. Wait. So I got the whatever chicken with something and the ribs with that. This dude feeling it. Where are we going though? Are we going the right way?
Yeah. Don't get hit by a fucking car.
I don't mind. It's gonna be an experience.
Oh yeah, you think you know later? Little bit better there. What about head? Shout out to Travis Scott and Don Tolliver.
Yeah, fuck yeah. You heard my brother out there. Anyway, so I'm gonna come out with this new segment soon as this COVID is done, of course. I'll keep you guys posted. Take it easy. Have a good night.